It's hard to imagine Lewes Beach crowded today, but come this summer, people and new concession stands could be right here. The city is considering allowing more umbrella and chair rentals and the sale of beach supplies like sunscreen and refreshments.
A couple of vendors have come to the city and asked if there was a possibility of setting up space on Lewes Beach to do chair rentals or beach umbrella rentals or other types of rentals, whether it's inflatable stuff that people usually bring to the beach.
Kirk says if approved, new concessions would not take away from existing activities at the Lions Club or Beach Shack. But Mary Parisi's not sold on the idea.
Looking at how beautiful our beach is, and I'm kind of thinking that maybe that would not be such a great idea because of the volume of, people that come to the beach.
Lindsay Johnson and Lee Kelly love Lewes Beach too and would love more concessions.
It would be more convenient for us coming to this beach because we wouldn't have to haul everything down here. And me personally, I don't own an umbrella, so if there was a concession stand here where I could just rent one, then I wouldn't have to go to the busier beach, which is Rehoboth.
The idea has gotten some pushback on social media already, however, with many people worrying that if there are more concessions sold on the beach, there will be more trash left over at the end of the day. The move could bring more revenue to the city, but the idea is just in its infancy and public input is required before any idea becomes reality.
We're having this meeting on Friday, April 5th to see if it would be receptive to the public, if they would use it, if there's any businesses, local businesses interested in doing something like this, just trying to get feedback.
Considering concessions in Sussex County. Reporting in Lewes, I'm Madeline Overturf for WRDE, Delmarva's own NBC station.